Hello student, today we will continue exercise 7.3 sum number 3 to 5 of chapter 7th triangles. Sum number 3 which is on your screen. Two sides AB, BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ, QR and PN of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Second part, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Figure right side of the page. Now we will write given. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle is equal to sides PQ and QR and median PN. To show same, here AM and PN are the medians. A median divides the side into two equal parts on which it falls. That means BM equals to CM, QN equals to RN. Proof. In triangle ABM and in triangle PQN, AB equals to PQ, AM is equals to PN, also given, BC is equals to QR, given. Let me take its half. Half of BC equals to half of QR. Half of BC becomes BM. Half of QR becomes QN because AM and PN are the medians. अगर ये मीडियन है तो PM CM के इक्वल होगा, QN RN के इक्वल होगा. So triangle is congruent by SSS. If triangle congruent, then angle B equals to angle Q. By CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. For the part second, in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, AB is equals to PQ, angle B is equals to angle Q, above proved, and BC is equals to QR. So triangle congruent by SAS. SAS. Now the next question, sum number 4. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of triangle ABC. Using RHS congruence rule, prove that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Figure given BE and CF are two equal altitudes. To show AB equals to AC. Proof. We need to prove triangle BCF and CBE by RHS, because it mentioned here in triangle BCF and CBE. CF equal to BE given altitudes. Angle F equals to angle E. Let me give its numeral name. It will easy to solve. Each 90. In front of angle 1, the side is BC. BC is equals to CB common. That means triangle BCF is congruent to CBE by RHS. So angle B equals to angle C by CPCT. In front of angle B, side is AC. In front of angle C, side is AB. Isosceles property. If two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. If AC equals to AB, then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now the next, fifth question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. Draw AP is perpendicular to BC. Show that angle B equals to angle C. Very easy question. Given to show proof in triangle APB and in triangle APC, AB equals to AC given, AP common, and angle 1 equals to angle 2, each 90, triangle congruent by RHS. So angle B equals to angle C by CPCT. Thank you.